Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily download music from CapCut PC. Let's begin. First, open your CapCut and I want you to go over here, click on audio file, right? And you will be redirected to the music category automatically. And just choose any music you like. For example, this one. I'm going to add this and we just need to click on export and then click on audio over here, uncheck video, and you can select whatever format you want your audio file be. We have MP3, WAV, AAC, and FLAC, all right? Once done, you can now click on export, and then you can now easily play the music you just exported on CapCut. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.